I'm TopView Product Avatar. I can hold your product with just one image.
Wow.
I'm TopView Product Avatar.
What you just saw in the video, the person, the voice, the movements, everything was generated by AI. You no longer need to hire models or influencers to hold your products and create video reviews. Instead, the AI avatars from TopView AI will do it all for you. Even I'm created by AI. Looks quite real, right? If you want to know how I was made, just keep watching the video. So, without further delay, let's check it out. Welcome back to Lazy Life Hack. Please like and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate your support. TopView AI just launched a new feature called Product Avatar 2.0 last month, offering a new way to showcase products without needing real-life models. Simply upload your product image and the AI instantly generates an avatar holding your product, eliminating the need for costly photo shoots or video shoots. All avatar templates are designed to naturally hold and display products of any size or shape, while multilingual speech and seamless lip sync features allow easy connections with customers worldwide. To start, just click on Try Product Avatar for free. As the first step, we need to find the right size for our product. In this first avatar, you can see that she is holding a phone-sized shape. It doesn't actually need to be a phone. As long as the product you want to feature is of that size, you can use it. Here you can see that it looks like a phone, but it is more like a wallet size, so you can put a wallet there. It doesn't need to be a phone. It is the shape that matters, not what she is holding. Okay, why don't we use this? Let's put a Coke soda bottle instead of the wine bottle. Click the Replace with my product image button. After that, choose the image you have ready. You don't need to remove the background. The AI will automatically remove it for you. This step is to adjust the size and position of the product. Let's make it a bit bigger and rotate it slightly. Then click Confirm Product Position. Now just wait a bit for it to merge. And there you go. From these three images, you choose one. The first image looks pretty real, so let's choose that. If you don't like any of the three results, you can regenerate without spending any credits. The light mode costs only 10 credits, but the animation will repeat every 5 seconds. The Pro mode costs 20 credits and offers better animation with repetition every 10 seconds. Let's choose the Pro mode and click the Image to Video Avatar button. Once you click, it will start animating the visual into an AI avatar while holding your product. The loading time will take about 5 to 10 minutes, so just sit tight and relax. The AI avatar already comes with its own animation movements, but it needs to be rendered again since our product is now merged with the AI avatar. Alright, it is done, so let's check it out.
I'm TopView Product Avatar. I can hold your product with just one image. You no longer have to spend a lot of time and money searching for real models to showcase your products.
It is really amazing how this turned out. You can see that the Coke is even shaking in the bottle, which makes it look so real. Now let's save the avatar. Once it is saved, the avatar will be listed here alongside other AI avatars, but this one is your avatar with your product which you just created. If you scroll down, you will see lots of AI avatars that are available to the public, but they are not holding any products. I will get into those avatars in a bit. Now, let's get back to our product avatar. Here on the left, you can add text for the avatar to dub, or you can import audio if you already have it. Below, you can change the voice to any voice you like, and it can be filtered to your needs. For now, Harper US Voice is chosen as the default for this avatar, but you can change it as you wish. The text-to-speech feature can hold up to 8,000 characters, which is about 1,500 words. That is around 8 minutes of continuous talking. Alright, now we put the text in for the product. There you go. Let's hit generate. Here, we are going to export in 1080p quality with no watermark. The file name will be Coke for Life. Now, it will render everything and soon we will be able to see our final video.
Coca-Cola delivers a refreshing burst of crisp carbonation with a perfect blend of sweetness and a hint of caramel. Its iconic taste and smooth finish make it a classic choice for any moment.
What do you think? It is actually pretty impressive how you can get an AI avatar to hold your product and dub the text you want. I will do a quick recap just in case. Have your product ready, choose the AI avatar that is holding the same shape as your product, adjust the product size and position, merge them, choose the final image, add text for dubbing, and finally save the final video. Once you get the hang of it, it is quite easy. The video avatar and the product avatar from just now actually have the same features. The video avatar has shorter steps to create because it doesn't have any product being held. This means that when you click on it, it will take you straight to adding text for the AI dubbing. Your previously created product avatars are also present at the top, and you can choose to use them if you want. These are called public avatars and they are available to everyone. You can filter them here based on your needs. Let's go for Southeast Asian and click on this one. Please take note that your avatar is already selected if you see a blue border around it. There is no special sound or animation to indicate it, so you might think it is not selected yet, but it actually is. Just like in Product Avatar, you can choose the voice as you see fit. For me, I will just go with the default voice. And now for the text. There you go. Hit generate. The file name will be Lazy Life Hack Intro. Click export.
Welcome to Lazy Life Hack, your go-to YouTube channel for straightforward AI tutorials designed for beginners. We specialize in using free AI tools to help you simplify tasks and enhance your daily life.
I hope you don't get confused between Product Avatar and Video Avatar. They are both the same, except that one is holding a product and the other is not. Both can be dubbed using multiple languages. Next up, we have Photo Avatar. Actually, this one is also very similar to Video Avatar. The only difference is that you don't get to choose the preset AI avatars. This time, you get to upload your own photo to be your own AI avatar, or create one using the AI image generator called AI Creation. Below, here are some sample images that you can use. Let's go with this image. On the left, you will see the text box where we add in our dubbing text. You can choose the voice of your choice. Let's choose Rachel and hit generate.
So what you saw in the video just now, the person, the voice, the movement, everything is all generated by AI.
The avatar I'm using right now is also created from here. Pretty neat, right? And finally, we have avatar marketing video. This one is a bit different and more complicated than the previous avatar models. Here you can promote or review your product using links directly from Amazon, eBay, YouTube, Etsy, and more. You can also upload all your product pictures here. To help you understand more, click on Try Sample. Once clicked, it will go to that Amazon sample link and gather all the media files available. Once they are listed, click Continue. Here below, it will automatically fill in the product name and the script that will be used in the video. If you click More Options, you will find the script writing style. Choose what's best for you, or you can leave it at Auto Select by AI. At the target audience section, since this is a drilling machine, it should be targeting middle-aged men between 30 to 60 years old. Leave the video length as auto. As for the logo and end cards, it is totally optional. Below here, you can choose the size, language, and the avatar that will present your product. For this video, let's choose a middle-aged man, since that is also our target audience. After choosing the avatar, it will ask you to switch to a relevant voice. You can also change it by yourself. It is not a must to use the suggested voice model. I will be using James for now. Once set, hit generate. Next, it will take you to the editing section and give you a few options for the copywriting. You can make changes to the script here as well, and if you want more changes, click on edits here. You can also click on the music icon to change the background music or adjust the volume. When everything is set, just click on export.
DIY project fail, wall anchors popping out again. Don't let another DIY project turn into a total flop. Old drill giving you the major sads. Not enough power, bruh. Time to ditch the weak sauce tools. You deserve better. Introducing the DeWalt 20V Max Combo Kit.
This is actually quite nicely done. As for the pricing, TopView AI has a free option that will give you 10 credits to start, and you can generate a couple of avatar videos with it just to try it out. Using AI avatars from TopView AI is a great way to create professional-looking videos without needing real models or expensive shoots. You can make money by promoting products, offering video creation services, or even building a social media following. With some effort, you could earn anywhere from a few hundred to several $1,000s each month.
Wow.
It's an easy and creative way to turn AI technology into a steady income.